Get noticed in this 2010 Chrysler Town & Country. Travel the roads in style and comfort in this great vehicle. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading with a reliable 6-cylinder engine that responds smoothly to its automatic transmission. Premium wheels give a more luxurious look. Treat yourself to the splendor of a premium sound system. Brake safely with the anti-lock braking system. Heated seats make cold weather driving more endurable. Pamper yourself with memory settings. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact us.